Hey dear friends, we continue to create our radiant painting and today we're having happy clients. Today we're preparing the picture for painting and moving straight to sanding. I applied maximum effort, all my weight and strength to this part of the job. I think you can see how my table is shaking so intensely. I wish you a pleasant viewing. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give me a like for my efforts. The most important thing is not to forget about cleaning. So after sanding, we try to tidy up, especially since the dust from the putty itself is quite harmful. We could save these scraps for the next painting, but I prefer to throw them in the trash. And we can always buy some putty. So I go ahead, clean the painting and move on to the next step. During a major cleaning, I correct all imperfections. This painting developed minor cracks because I clearly overdid the amounts of putty. However, judging by today's result, it's already clear that it's much better than the previous painting. Now I'm using the same putty and painting over the remaining cracks. I rub and make brush strokes in the direction of the rays to make it look good. After that, I let it dry and then sand again. Well, of course, where would I be without my ring? I found this ring. I didn't like the dressing, but now I just need a couple of touches and we'll finalize it. I sand it, then take some acrylic markers and make a few strokes. And here's what we have. Let's try it on. Wow, beautiful. You see my nose in the frame from time to time. Why? Because I don't know how to film properly, but my goal is to show you what I do, and I think I'm pretty good at it. And most importantly, I can comment on videos, so I'd appreciate it if you like them and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for new creative ideas for your home, I'm always happy to share them with you. I decided to get creative, grabbed a sander and started refining the texture. You don't have to do this, but if you really want to and have an extra sander at home, you can try. But keep in mind that it will take a fair amount of time. I'd like to wish you as much creative success as possible. Try new things and don't be afraid to mess something up because the most unexpected solution often comes through trial and error. Hugs and thanks for watching. Bye bye.